We had investigated the opportunities for venture capital people before we met Crescent Capital, and we had met various venture capital people. But certainly, when we met Crescent Capital, we found there was an instant rapport. We appreciated having people who had local knowledge and were able to support us locally, and we found them a very good fit to help us do the work we needed to get done to take us to the next stage. We had come off a period where we were working with a large US corporation, and we wanted to strike out to go independent, and that was important for us to do that. And without the resources and support from Crescent Capital, we just wouldn't have been able to affect that change. We had the support from Crescent Capital, not just the financial support, but also they helped us to guide our vision of where we wanted to go for the future, and enabled us to get there. They worked with us all the way through. So we did the first investment round in 1997 with Crescent Capital, and that enabled us to set up our first sales offices, and also for the first time move out of the university and into a business park, which is very important for the development of our business, as we were now starting to develop business for sales, for business to business. I think we probably didn't expect Crescent Capital to get so involved and wrapped up in what we needed to do, and be there for supporting us night and day to achieve our aims. And not just the person who sat on our board, but the wider Crescent team were there available for us and very supportive, and that was very useful to us as we developed and grew our business. We did a follow-on investment round in 2001, where we used the investment round to help target the life sciences market, which was a fast-growing sector of our business, and we were able then to accelerate our opportunities to grow in that market. Well, having one of the people from Crescent Capital act as a non-executive director in our company was also very important to us. It helped us to develop the disciplines that have stood us in good stead now as we become a PLC. Having proper board meetings and having non-executive directors who can take a wider view and not let us get wrapped up just in our own business, that they can help us keep a steer on what's happening globally and what's happening outside of our own business. I would heartily recommend for young companies to get involved with VC firms and firms like Crescent Capital, particularly in this day and age when opportunities can move on so fast. It's very important to have that support, both financially and in the wider arena, to be able to accelerate their ideas, to be able to develop their business to maturity and a reasonable maturity in a reasonable timescale. And certainly, our experience with Crescent Capital, it's fundamental to our success.